What's going on, guys? Team Pilot Bo Prey here, and I'm going to show you how to install the FlightOne configurator. First things first, just go to the internet browser of your choice, then go ahead and navigate over to FlightOne.com. Once you do that, go ahead and head over to the Downloads tab. Now we need to figure out what kind of Windows client you need. So by doing that, all we do is go to Windows Search and type in System Information. Once you type this in, then it should bring you to the Systems Information program. In here, you're looking for the specific system type, and in my case, it's a 64-bit system. Once you find out if you have a 64 or 32-bit system, then you need to download the appropriate client. Once you do that, just wait for your download to finish. Once your download's complete, all we need to do is navigate to where we saved the file. In my case, it's in the Downloads folder. And once you find that file, we need to either extract it or unzip it. This can be determined by what type of program you are using. In my case, I'm using WinRAR, and I'm just going to extract it to its own folder. Once you extract or unzip the file, all you have to do is navigate to the FlightOne.exe file, and that's it. Now you're ready to plug in your flight controller.